working. From AM to PM we working. From AM to PM we working. Now we see what.
Modern hour. In 2024